Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are going to do the repairing or maintenance of our road. You can see that some cracks had developed on our road around the shoulders. These cracks are basically known as longitudinal cracks. So for the remedy of this, you can see that we had removed the laterite at a depth of 5 to 10 centimeters, and then we had spread sharp sand. As you can see, after the spreading of sharp sand, we are going to put little water all through it. So basically we had to do little excavation of this our surface dress road. When we had been doing the excavation, we had to also remove little laterite. The little excavation or digging can be done with the help of diggers. So here you can see that now we are putting MC1. We had done the heating of it, and now we are putting this MC1 on top of this our sharp sand. So on the following day we are going to put S125. You can see on top of our MC1 we are pouring S125. It is little bit thicker than the MC1. You can see all through it we are pouring it. After we are done with the pouring of this S125, we are going to spread the chippings. As you can see, with the help of brushes we are spreading our chippings. Well, these cracks can usually appear on our surface when the water becomes stagnant on the shoulders and it does not find a place to flow out. This could be a reason why we had developed cracks on the edges of our road. So here you can see that again we are putting S125. This is like our second coating of S125, and again we are brushing off the chippings. So you can see that it is a very simple process which you can use in order to maintain your road. Also, one thing you have to take care about is the chutes. When you are laying the curbstones, you can provide chutes so that the water may flow out. The most important thing is to make sure that the water flows out through the embankments. So guys, today's topic was very brief about the longitudinal cracks that develop on our roads and how you can rectify them. I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.